How to fix Telegram app problem. So if you have any problem with your Telegram, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings in your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now click on Telegram right here, click on force stop, and after that click on storage, click on clear cache like this, go back again, click on data usage. Now all what you want to do is disable all these options and enable them back again. Go back and then click on this power usage details. Now all what you want to do is disable the power consumption alert and then go back into the settings on your phone. Click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 10 seconds disable it, and then open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Telegram and update it. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.